one of the best things you can use for your skin, for your hair, for your scalp. Neem has so many amazing properties. It is antibacterial, it also contains antioxidants, it also helps in skin cell regeneration. So what are the best ways and the easiest ways to include neem in your beauty routine? Well, just keep watching this video to find out. Now, if you tend to have cracked heels or fungal infections on your feet, neem is one of the best things that you can use. A very good way of using neem for your feet is to either use as it is. You can also take a little bit of foot scrub. I'm using the Vadi foot scrub, which contains lemongrass oil and fenugreek. To this, I'm adding just a few drops of neem oil. Now, of course, you can use any other foot scrub that you want. This is just the one that I am using. And scrub this on your heels very, very well. Scrub for about 3 to 4 minutes, and after that, just leave it on like this for a couple of more minutes and then wash it all off with warm water. This is such a good routine because it first of all obviously cleans your skin really, really well since you are using a foot scrub, and secondly, because of the neem, it can actually penetrate your cracked heels and heal it beautifully. Neem is also a fantastic ingredient for those who have dandruff problems, itchy scalp, irritated scalp. Neem can be so great for you. So just take a little bit of neem powder. So I'm using the neem hair revitalizing pack from Vyayam Ayurveda. This is completely pure, manufactured in India and a wonderful product. So as you can see, I have taken heaps of it. To this, I'm going to add some Rita Sud powder. Now this one is from Abs Goodness. It's an organic pesticide and preservative free product. It helps in restoring the natural pH value of the scalp while also reducing split ends and dandruff. Mix both of these ingredients with some curd. Yes guys, curd is again a great thing for conditioning your hair and also dealing with dandruff problems. Mix all of these ingredients really well. If you have extremely flaky dandruff, you can also add a few drops of lemon essential oil. Lemon oil is something which can be used for all hair types. It also helps in dealing with hair fall issues while handling dandruff and weak hair problems. So mix all the ingredients really well, apply it all over your hair and scalp, leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash everything off with a mild shampoo. Neem is also wonderful for reducing melanin production on your skin. So it's great if you have pigmentation, uneven skin tone, or if you have extremely acne prone skin. So let me repeat this guys. If you have dry acne prone skin, okay, dry acne prone skin, if you use neem oil as it is on your face every single day, trust me, you'll not need to use anything else on your face. It is absolutely amazing for your skin. However, if your skin is not dry, if you have oily skin, combination skin, normal skin, here's what you can do. Just take a few drops of neem oil, and to this we'll mix a little bit of argan oil. So the more oily your skin is, we'll use more argan oil. The less oily, the less argan oil. So just decide how much argan oil your skin needs depending on how your skin texture actually is. So here I'm using the Good Vibes Argan Facial Oil, which contains silver leaves. It's great for anti-aging, oil control, and also for nourishing your skin and dealing with dullness, apart from dealing with acne problems and pimple problems. Yes guys, argan oil has so many benefits. Argan oil also helps in improving skin elasticity, which is definitely a big thumbs up. So just mix both of these ingredients and apply it all over your face, all over your neck, and yes, that is your quick facial oil routine. You do not need to remove this. So ideally what I would recommend is that you can use it every single day once again, but try to use it at night because that is when you're sleeping, that is when your skin heals itself, so why not? Neem oil is also something which can be added as a part of your regular hair care routine. So just take your regular coconut oil, to this add a little bit of neem oil, and to this we'll also add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Now, like I just told you guys, neem oil has these amazing benefits for your scalp health, for your hair health. Lavender essential oil is also something which is absolutely wonderful. It can be used for all hair types. It's great for dealing with dull hair, and lavender essential oil can also go a long way dealing with dandruff problems. Our last and final DIY is especially for those dealing with skin aging issues and feeling completely at a loss for a good formula. For this, you will need some pomegranate powder. So here I am using once again from Vyayam Ayurveda, the pomegranate age defying pack. It is great for skin cleansing, it maintains skin elasticity, and definitely good for anti-aging. So just take a little bit of this. To this we'll mix a little bit of neem oil. So once again I'm using the neem oil from Good Vibes. Mix both of these ingredients with lots of rose water. If you have dry skin, you can instead use some milk and apply it as a regular face pack all over your face and all over your neck. Leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with cool water. So guys, those are all the DIYs that I want to share with you all today. I just feel that neem is such an underrated product when it comes to beauty needs. We talk about neem and its benefits all the time, but when we do DIYs and things like that, neem is something that is hardly ever used. So start including neem in your regular skincare routine. You will definitely see a difference. It's great. It's absolutely amazing because it helps in dealing with melanin production. It helps in repairing your skin. It has antibacterial, antifungal properties. What else could you ask for? And anti-aging properties. So if you have any cool DIY hacks, tricks up your sleeves for neem, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to hit like with this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon for notifications and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.